Hello and welcome. Today, we're talking about how to, the only gut protocol you need for perfect digestion. Do you feel overwhelmed by conflicting advice about gut health? Have you tried different diets or remedies without finding a lasting solution for digestive issues? Many approaches tend to treat symptoms rather than addressing the underlying issues. This piecemeal advice can leave you feeling frustrated without a clear path forward. The truth is, achieving perfect digestion requires a comprehensive approach that goes beyond just isolated interventions. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall wellness, and when it's not balanced, it impacts everything from digestion to immune function and even mood. Truly effective approach involves understanding and addressing multiple factors that influence gut health. This isn't just about eating certain foods. It's about building a complete system that supports your body from the inside out. Imagine constructing a stable building. Without a strong foundation, the rest is at risk. A healthy gut is that robust base, built before adding layers of strategies. The comprehensive approach to perfect digestion involves several key components. It starts with understanding where you are now through assessment and awareness of your current habits and symptoms. Building a strong foundation requires targeted nutrition, focusing on foods that nurture good bacteria and fortify your gut lining. Beyond food, lifestyle adjustments like stress management, sleep improvements, and movement play a critical role. Identifying and eliminating specific inflammatory triggers from your diet and environment is also essential. Strategic supplementation can help fill nutrient gaps and support balance. Finally, monitoring your progress helps you see the impact of your changes and make adjustments as needed. This structured step-by-step framework builds upon each previous step to enhance gut function and support your overall system. So, what does this only gut protocol you need actually look like? How does it integrate diet, lifestyle, tracking, and targeted interventions into one comprehensive plan for perfect digestion? While we've outlined the foundational areas, assessment, nutrition, lifestyle, triggers, supplementation, and monitoring, understanding how each piece connects and is implemented in practice requires a complete roadmap. How do you personalize this protocol to your unique needs and ensure long-term success? If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed by conflicting advice and are seeking a structured, progressive, and comprehensive approach to achieve truly balanced gut health and perfect digestion, then there is a complete guide waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about achieving perfect digestion, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. And to discover the complete gut protocol that brings all these essential elements together, check out the course linked in the description. If you're ready to take charge of your gut health and immune system, like this video is a commitment to your well-being. Share this proven protocol with anyone who needs to fix their digestive issues. And for the complete step-by-step guide to a healthier, more vibrant life, subscribe to our channel today.